Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Modern Performance. It's Dean here, and as you can see, I'm not in the garage. I'm actually on my computer in my office because I want to show you a website. First off, this is not a paid sponsorship. This is just a help website that was super helpful. I want to share with everybody. So here we go. First off, let's talk about the situation I was in. So this is my daily driver, a 2005 Toyota Camry, and you can see I have some pretty cool aftermarket wheels on there. These were wheels and tires that I bought off of Daryl. He had them on a Toyota Corolla. So you can see it's a 16-inch wheel, which stock the car came with 15-inch rims. So these are 16s, but the Toyota Corolla is a little bit of a smaller car. So because they were on that one, they sized the tires accordingly. So when you take a look at it, you see there's a bit of space in that wheel well. So long story short, I ran these tires down to the wear bars and they need to be replaced. So rather than replace them with the same size of tire and have that hideous wheel gap, I wanted to figure out what size tire I should get instead of what was currently on there. So rather than guess, I went to this handy website right here. It is tiresize.com. If you've never been on it before, it has, as you can see, it has a number of tools here. And the one that I used is the tire size comparison. So what I did was I took a look at the door of my car to see what the stock tire size was. And you can see here, this is what the site gives us. So I will zoom in on here. So for size 1, I put in the stock tire size. So it's a 205 width, 65 sidewall, R15 for the rim. And then I put in what I currently had on the car. So that was a 205, 55, 16. And when you compare these two, we see there is a size difference here. This little chart gives us the numbers, but let's scroll down to see the visual side. Because, right, who wants to read the book? Let's watch the movie, right? So we have our number 1, our stock tire. We see it's a 25.5 inch tall. And yes, those other tires are 24.9. So you can see, yeah, we got a little bit of size to make up for. Yeah, look, one of the things that was interesting was the sidewall. So on the 16-inch, we only get a 16-inch wheel. We get a 4.4-inch sidewall versus the stock, which has a 5.2 sidewall. So that definitely affects the ride qualities. When I switched to the 16-inch tires, I definitely felt the tire to be quite a bit firmer. And so what I did, what this tool allows me to do is now I can adjust the size and see how it stacks up. So first, I was feeling lucky, so I said, let's just add 5 to the sidewall. And look, we actually get really close. With a 16-inch wheel, this is what we wanted to go with. So took a look, yeah, 25.5, 25.7. I know that this will fit. This gets me as close to stock as I can. And look, the sidewall improved quite drastically. It also shows the revolutions per mile. And if we scroll down a little bit more, it also shows speedometer error as well. So yeah, if you are ever curious how a different tire would fit on your car, stance wise, look wise, will it even fit in the wheel well? This way you can compare. And yeah, this was actually the size that I ended up going with. So if we take a look at here, you can see in the photo here that it fills up the wheel well just that extra little bit more, and I feel like that that's what I wanted to go with. And already I feel the ride quality with more of the sidewall there is a lot closer to stock. And yeah, so I'm really happy with the tire size that I went with, and I wouldn't have been able to figure it out without that TireSize.com. So yeah, anyways, just wanted to share that site with you if you've never been there before. Some of the other tools they have are really helpful as well. They've got an offset one. Watch a few videos on how to calculate all that stuff, and that's still kind of magic. But this this site definitely helps. So anyways, not a sponsor, but yes, very useful site, TireSize.com. And yeah, so once again, thanks for watching. And hey, if it ain't broke, go drive it.